Hi, Michael here. Welcome to the January 26th update on the channel. Good to have you back here. Today I'll be sharing my top five favorites of today, and that changes every day, obviously. Um, Before we do that, let's have a look, as usual, what's going on at the markets. We see a couple of things. First, the economic growth in the US over the last quarter was higher than everybody expected. So that adds to the positive tone that we've been seeing already for 3 weeks. But today, in particular, we've seen a barrage of very positive results from various companies, both in the US and here in Europe, while the analysts keep on warning that later of the year we indeed will be seeing a recession. For the moment, everybody is out partying and everything is in the green. Yesterday, the US closed positive. This morning, the European markets opened hesitantly in the green. And now that about an hour ago, the US opened in the green as well, we see very strong performances on all markets except what I see here in Scandinavia in particular. Um, yeah, the OMX Nordic, Stockholm lagging a little bit behind. Very, very small losses, 0.4% and 0.5% in Stockholm. But all the other ones, very much in the positive. Nasdaq 100 even 1.03% in the plus. The next one 50, 0.9 of a percent. So nice and green. And let's see that if that brings nice opportunities over the next couple of days. Um, the sweet spot has been very volatile over the past days. One day we had 23, 24 stocks in the sweet spot. Then the day after we had only two. This morning we had 11. And when I refreshed the data and looked a little bit more into it, that has turned back to six, of which I will share the top five with you in particular, because all the other ones you can already see here if you pause the screen. Number five, Halozyme. Halozyme is a stock that's been performing already for quite a while. Um, it has been through a recent rally already, but still all the indicators are, as with all of these stocks in the sweet spot, I remind you, a rating of accumulate or buy and a spread between current price and first resistance of at least 10%, then you're eligible to be in the sweet spot. Halozyme has been working toward gradually and still at this moment has a very promising spread of 11.7%, which is um, nice considering that we've even had already today an increase of the stock of 1.41%. And despite that, we've still got a run of 11.7% left, assuming, of course, that we keep on increasing and that we don't fall back because there's two things that you know. First of all, I don't know what I'm doing. And second, I don't have a glass bowl in which to look. And if I would have, it wouldn't help anyway. NetApp, a nice spread of 13.3% there. It's not been moving today. But it does, the green indicator here shows that it does have a very strong upward potential on the very, very short term. So this means in uh, hours or days counted. And we're not talking about weeks or months here. Next one I want to share is Diamondback Energy, or the ticker FANG. A bit of a volatile stock, but now entering into the sweet spot with a spread of 14.27%. And also the indicator here, the green indicator shows that we see a very strong upward potential over the next couple of days. And that is, of course, provided nothing happens. Then the last one for you to share in today's update, which is the number one of my five favorites for today, Oracle. Um, 15% spread and a strong upward potential over a very short period. Current price of just over 90, and the analysts agree that first resistance at this moment shows about 104.01, which gives you the spread of 15.10%. The other ones are not better or worse stocks than the five that I've just shared with you, and showing you these five in particular. By no means that you should go out and buy these. On the contrary, I would strongly advise you to not buy any stocks. As said, I don't know what I'm doing, so if you would ever consider putting your hard-earned savings into stocks, please do talk to your professional advisor before doing so. Having said that, I'm going to leave it at that for today. I thank you very much for joining. I hope this shorter video and sharing my top 5 favorites for today has given you some inspiration. I personally hope that we've got some very nice increases today so that we may be selling later this evening in the US, or put in the orders tomorrow morning so we can get them executed by tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like every now and then these videos. It will really help to establish this channel. And see you again tomorrow.